Hello, I'm Trystan Llŷr Griffiths and I'm going to sing one of the Taminos.
Hi, my name is Thando Mjandana and I'm also one of the Taminos.
What's it like to sing the Magic Flute in English?
It's really great because a lot of people will be able to understand everything without them having to look at the subtitles.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. And also, it's challenging because most of the time when you listen to the recordings, when you're learning the music, you always hear like the original language.
My first language is Welsh, so
Yeah.
this English is my second language.
Yeah.
Is English your first language or second?
It's my second language
See,
as well.
so-
But I speak Xhosa.
Ah,
So it's my second
so it's
language.
challenging for the both of us.
It is,
Yes,
yeah.
singing
yeah.
in a foreign language. Is this production very different to other operas you've performed?
It's good because I've always wanted to sing the Magic Flute. It's different because the lights and everything. You
It's
know,
a very modern
it's
production,
very
isn't it?
modern, very modern. What's your favorite moment in the rehearsal?
5:30 when we clock off for the day. I suppose when we've been staging the scenes,
Yeah.
and then it's that kind of light bulb moment where it actually all comes together. When it's
Yeah.
like, oh, this is what they wanted. This is how it's going to work. What's it like to share the role? So,
When you share a role, you listen to someone else doing the same thing that you are doing. You know, we've got one director, so it's always interesting to know how they're going to do it,
Or
and
how-
you are going to do
or
it.
how you're not going to do it.
We learn a lot. I learn a lot from you and other colleagues as well, because there are things that I would say, oh, actually, this part was a bit challenging for me. But because I see you do it, I'm like, he's making it very easy. So I try and do those kind of things so that it's easier to me as well.
What should audience expect from this production?
They will be reminded of their youth.
Yeah.
You know, they'll be reminded of their youth when they were young and in love, you know, not wanting anything to come between you and your friend. We will take them back there.
Yeah.
You know,
They're definitely going to be visually excited by what they can see.
of course, totally.
So it's the production I've been mostly with
yeah,
looking at the set and the lights and everything.
beautiful.
So it's an exciting production.
What's your favorite moment in the show, like, in the Magic Flute?
My favorite moment in the show probably is the speaker scene. Personally, it's a good recit. It's a good recit, and it's a long scene. isn't it?
Yeah.
It builds you up to the aria.
To the aria, yeah.
There's a lot going on. His challenge he has to accept
Of course, yeah.
and is accepting basically, and he's determined, but he's also a bit shy and scared.
Well, mine is the first time Tamino sees Pamina. Not the portrait, but the first time when they sing Tamino.
Musically, yes,
Musically,
because it's gorgeous. Because
it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
what are you looking forward to about the tour?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to different audience. When you're touring, maybe you get to a place where there's like you would feel their presence, like the audience, like, oh, they're engaging with me, you know. Some nights are going to be different. I know that for a fact because maybe here in Cardiff they might find this part in the show funny, and then when I go to Birmingham, they don't find it funny. And then I would expect them to laugh. It's supposed to be laughing.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is what I'm looking forward to, you know, and
And then with every performance, the show will grow as we
of course, yeah,
develop it over the next couple of months. So
totally,
it's gonna be fun, I think. So
yeah.
come along, book your tickets.
Be there.
See you soon.
See you soon. We're amazing.